Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create your own resume in Canva, so let's get right into it. Firstly, once you're at the home page and you're logged in, what you want to do is type into the search bar and search for a resume. Once you're there, you'll see a lot of different templates for resumes. Your best bet is to choose something that catches other people's eyes. For example, this template right here, you just want to choose that and make sure that it is free if you don't have Canva Pro. If you have Canva Pro, you can choose whatever you want. Then you can choose the template and just click edit or customize that template. And once it's open, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Then you can add your own information, your own images, and I have made tutorials on how you can do that myself, so you can check it out. And then you can, of course, edit the text, add other elements such as text, shapes, lines, or whatever you want. And that is pretty much how you can create your own resume really quickly in Canva. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.